Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best HDMI splitter that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the OREI HDMI Splitter. If you love sending loads of data across various platforms simultaneously, we can guarantee that the OREI HDMI Splitter will be your next best friend. Technology enthusiast makes it provide a highly durable and efficient splitter for customers. The OREI HDMI Splitter can create two identical signals through the splitting of one HDMI input signal. It features extensive support for various audio formats, including Dolby True HD, LPCM, Dolby AC3, among others. It is seen in a bulky duty metal casing, designed as one cool enclosure, and this is meant to keep the splitter well protected and also aid in the swift absorption and dissipation of heat, which will ultimately make the device cooler. This splitter is the perfect multi-practical accessory for both your business and home. It features a plug-and-play mechanism which doesn't require the user to have any prior knowledge or skill set. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Movcle HDMI Splitter. If you have many television sets at home, getting the Movcle is the best choice you will ever make. We love this brand because they listen to their customers and provide designs that work. Every unit they launch is easy to use, simple to set up, and comes with impressive durability, which comes second to none. Meet the Movcle HDMI Splitter. This is a 1-in-4 HDMI splitter device put together by the best professionals with a great interest in technology. It is relatively new on the market, and yet it has raked in thousands of customers because of how amazing it is. The Movcle takes only seconds to install and is very simple to use. You're able to distribute your HDMI input into 4 identical outputs without any issues and also transmit data at a distance of up to 15 meters. Every action this splitter undertakes is well protected by its heavy-duty cold metal case, which aids in heat dissipation and absorption as well. At number 3, we have the ZettaGuard 1x2 HDMI Splitter. The end of this article will not be complete if we don't talk about the ZettaGuard HDMI Splitter. Do you want a splitter device which works well with full HD and impressive sound quality? We will recommend this device for you. Our final best HDMI splitter is the ZettaGuard HDMI Splitter, a unit featuring a state-of-the-art design, with vents included in the enclosure for proper ventilation and the prevention of overheating. The structure of this splitter also boasts of ports which accommodate other HDMI devices such as a mini projector, Blu-ray player, 4K TV, DVD player and many more. The ZettaGuard works perfectly everywhere, be it your home or office, and delivers quality, loss, and lag-free outputs every time it is used. Enjoy all your movies and games in the highest quality possible thanks to this device. At number 2, we have the avedio Mini HDMI Splitter. Manufacturers of the avedio Mini HDMI Splitter love how customers underestimate the unit once they come across the Mini in its name, only to be wowed by how incredible its performance is, as well as how close that performance is to regular-sized splitters. If you ever need a compact unit to have in your luggage for your travels and other movement purposes, this will be the ideal unit for you. We recommend the avedio HDMI Switch to everyone who needs a compact splitter for their future trips. This device does everything a regular-sized unit would, with its advantage being how easy it is to store and carry about. It enables you to transmit all your audio and video outputs simultaneously without any lags or loss of quality, thanks to its 1 input, 2 outputs feature. It comes with a USB cable that allows you to connect to other devices while on the go. The avedio splitter is made from environmentally friendly materials, thus, it is considered the best eco-friendly unit in the world and the most recommended in the market. And finally, at number 1, we have the J-Tech Digital HDMI Splitter. The world of HDMI splitters, the search is always over once we mention the J-Tech Digital HDMI Splitter. We love this device for many reasons, but mostly because of all the positive reviews it receives from customers all across the world. If you ever need a splitter, we recommend this as the next best one for your home or business. The JTech HDMI Splitter is a digital splitter out together by one of the leading technology manufacturers in the world. This company seeks to produce only the best devices, which are also sturdy and durable enough to last for generations. This HDMI cable splitter offers you a seamless transition between television, gaming, and many more, thanks to its high connectivity of 4 HDMI sources via a single port. It delivers one of the most impressive and powerful displays with help from its 4K Ultra HD feature and comes with an automatic switch on/off function which offers the user perfect control of the device at every point in time. Viewing multiple sources in one display device is extremely easy with this unit, thanks to the picture-in-picture feature, which is activated with the single push of a button. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.